This is John and Jane. Their house had a leaky roof after a storm, and water was dripping inside. John knew their furniture and belongings could be damaged because of that, so he started searching around for a professional and experienced roofing contractor. Thankfully, John found us. Our team of licensed, insured, and experienced technicians arrived at John's house. They thoroughly inspected his roof and gave John an affordable quote. They were able to fix the leak quickly using high-quality materials. After working, the contractors also cleaned up the messy roofing materials. John and Jane were completely satisfied with the quality of the work and the attitude of the contractors. If you are in need of roof repair, replacement, or installation of a new roof, contact us today to get the job done right the first time.